So here's how you take 1/3 of 75, and the answer is 25. I'll show you how I did that. So instead of, let's make the of into multiplication. So really that's the same thing as 1/3 times 75. In the 75, let's take and make that into a fraction. So we can just move the 75 up here, and we can call it 75 over 1. 75 divided by 1, that's still 75. So we haven't changed the value. Just now that we have a fraction and a fraction, it's a lot easier to multiply those. So 1 times 75, that is going to be 75. And then 3 times 1 down here, that's going to be 3. So we end up with 75 thirds. We can divide 75 by 3, and 3 goes into 75 25 times. 3 times 25, that's 75. So when we take and multiply 1/3 times 75, or we take 1/3 of 75, we end up with 25. This is Dr. V. Thanks for watching.